Check the brackets on the starboard side. They look fractured.
Confirmed. Sending drone in closer for macro imaging.
Crawler crane 3, lift confirmed. Move to staging zone, Charlie. Roger that. Moving the scaffolding now. Generator power stable across the grid. Ready for welding.
Watch the starboard side, clear the line. All clear, keep it steady.
Panel approaching target zone. Check alignment pins. Visual confirmation. Trajectory stable. Locking in hydraulic frame 5. Reading looks stable on sector 4.
Copy that.
Moving to the next joint. Section 7 welds are complete. Copy that. Removing the final clamps now. Ensure the documentation is updated on the tablet.
Check laser alignment on the aft mounts.
Looks good from here, centralized.
Ascent speed steady at 2 meters per minute.
We have confirmation on section 7. All right, easy now. Bring it down another few centimeters.
2 centimeters to go. Easy now.
Clear on the port side.
Set her down gently. Markers are green.
All systems aligned on the main console. Confirming radar calibration is complete.
The gloss readings are exceptional on this section.
Affirmative, the leveling is perfect. Overlap looks good on the mast. Agreed. We are ready to pull the masking on the port side. Stand by, waiting on clearance from ventilation. Bring her down slowly. Watch the alignment. Steady. Caps confirmed. Locking pins in gouge. Final position secure.
That's the last connection on the starboard side. Beautiful. She's finally ready for the sea trials.
We have ignition. Check the temps on manifold C.
Stable. It purrs like it's brand new. Shaft RPM stabilizing at target. Vibration readings nominal across all sensors. Rudder alignment holding steady at port. Acknowledged. Beginning starboard sweep.
Bridge, Tug 1, maintaining position, pushing sequence initiated.
Copy that, Tug 1. Aft clearance looks good.